is our air compressor. It is a oil-injected rotary screw compressor. It is belt-driven off the engine and delivers 50 CFM at 150 psi. This is the engine on the unit. It is a Deutz model BF 4M201C engine running at 1500 RPM. It is direct coupled to our alternator, which is a McCulty ECP 3250 Hertz. It is capable of delivering 75 kVA, 415 volts. On top of the machine we have an air blast aftercooler. This is to keep the air cool and dry it out for the air outlet when you air off the engine. The second cooler is a oil cooler for the compressor. The light in the middle is a low fuel warning light, which when low fuel comes on it sends an alarm and it starts back. Down the front of the machine we have our battery isolator in red, our starter isolator in yellow, and our Anderson jump plug for jump starting if it's got a flat battery. Moving into our control panel, we have our on-off power that powers the control panel. We have a light for low light work, compressor on-off switch, and then our main control panel, which is a Comap IntelliLight MRS11 that controls the whole unit. This is our final stage air pressure regulator. Even though the compressor is set to 150 psi, you can adjust the gauge to whatever pressure you suit for work that you're doing. Directly below that we have an e-stop. That's just a simple push and pull out e-stop. Below the e-stop we have our air pressure outlet with a claw connector. Our 240 volt outlets, 15 amp, and two 415 volt outlets, 150 amp and 132 amp. Directly above that, on the panel, we have our switchgear, so our main switch and our outlet oscillators. So dimensions of the machine are 2145 long, 1006 wide, 1790 high. It weighs in at 1580 kilograms dry weight, gross mass 1760 kilograms, that's just 200 litres of diesel, and it's got a dB rating of 82 decibels when it's running.